The new MB WhatsApp is finally here. It's a pleasure for me because we are going to download and install it together. If you have any issues with your WhatsApp, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to assist you. If you are new here, make sure to be part of this family so you won't miss my tips and tricks. Without saying anything more, let's get started. Before downloading MB WhatsApp, we're supposed to deactivate this option, auto blocker. If you don't do this, you may encounter problems during installation. It's very important. Okay, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Then deactivate it, auto blocker. Once done, go back, open your phone's browser and search for this. You see it, right? Once you're in, scroll down right here, tap on download and then click on go to download and then click on download APK file. As you can see, MB WhatsApp is downloading. This is the best version. Once it finishes downloading, tap on open just to install it. This is very interesting, guys. Now open it, give it permissions. Right here, tap on link device. Take a photo of this QR code and then tap on the three dots and then click on link devices. We are going to link it with the official WhatsApp. Make sure to have official WhatsApp installed on your phone. Now, just take the other phone to scan the QR code. The steps are easy. As you can see, MB WhatsApp is connecting. If you're encountering issues during the configuration, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Take care.